Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please click the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell to watch my upcoming videos. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to prepare jollof rice as requested by most of you. Jollof rice can be prepared in various ways and I'm going to show you my way, which is easy and delicious. Come, let me show you the ingredients for this recipe. Here are the ingredients that I'm going to use to prepare my jollof rice. I have carrots here, tomatoes, onions, 2 green bell peppers. By the way, you can use the yellow and red bell peppers. I was unable to get them today due to the lockdown. I have 4 cups of rice, oil, tomato puree, ginger, some red chili, some cloves of garlic, seasoning cube, bay leaves, and red chili powder. So firstly, I'll start with blending the tomatoes, onions, 1 bell pepper, ginger, cloves of garlic, and red chili. And note that I have set aside 1 onion to be used in the initial step of my cooking. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm done blending my ingredients and I'm just chopping this onion that I'm going to use in the initial step of my cooking. So let the show begin. So I'm frying the onions and the tomato puree right now. And I have to let this fry for about 5 minutes. And remember to stir so that it doesn't get stuck to the base of the pot. My tomato puree is completely fried now, so I can add in my blended ingredients. I'm just going to stir this to allow everything to mix properly. And I will cover it and let it boil for some time. So right about now, I'm going to add salt and my seasoning cube, and in this case I'm using onga. So right now I will be adding the rice to the stew, and make sure that you wash your rice thoroughly to remove the surface starch that otherwise might cause the rice to clump together and get gummy. Add water, but not too much water. Make sure that the water is on the same level as your rice. Cover the pot properly using the foil paper beneath the lid and let your rice boil for a good 20 minutes on low heat. So as you can see, my jollof rice already looks delicious. I can't wait for it to get ready. My jollof is almost cooked, so now I'm going to sharpen the bay leaves. Just added the carrots and bell pepper and I'm trying to mix. I smell something. I think it's my pot of jollof rice. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, let's open my pot of jollof rice now. Here we go. Ta-da! My jollof rice is now ready. So guys, this is how my jollof rice looks like right now. And thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Subscribe, like and share. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye.